Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today we will teach you how to fix control panel that is not working in your Windows PC, particularly in Windows 10. So we will show you some simple methods to fix the issue. The first thing that you need to do is go to the File Explorer. If you see a folder that looks like this on your taskbar, you can click on it, or you can also go to the Start menu and type in File Explorer. Now on the address bar, type %, system root $/32. And then hit enter. A new window will open. As you can see on this upper right corner, there is a search system 32. Click inside the box and then type .cpl. Then hit enter. Then search for appwiz.cpl. Then double-click on it. So this should open up the control panel. You also have the option to right-click the Start menu, then find and click on Run. Then type in appwiz.cpl and hit the OK button. Check if that opens up as well. However, if you still encounter an issue, there's a possibility that there's a problem with the file associations. You can close this window and then click Start menu and type default apps. Then scroll down and click Choose a default app by file type. A window will open. Scroll down and find .cpl. Here it is. Across it on the right side should be Windows Control Panel. If it is not, then click on it. You can go through and choose Windows Control Panel. Then close the window. Check if the issue is fixed. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.